Welcome back to the last part of the C++ project, that is the URL shortener project. So in all the previous three videos, we had seen one by one each function. So in this particular video, we'll be seeing the retrieve URL function. So let's see. The first we have the short URL string. Then we prompt the user to enter the short URL. Then we take the short URL as the input. Now we iterate to each and every element of the short URL and we check if the URL is already present. If the short URL is present in the short URL directory, it would be present because we are giving the short URL. So in most of the cases, the long URL will be present already in the directory. Then it checks for the short URL if it is existing. Then if it is existing, then it displays a long URL with the same index. For example, if the short URL 0 index is equal to the long URL 0th index, so then it displays that particular long URL in that index. If it is not existing, then it says short URL not found. Simple. So yeah, I mean that's it for this video. That's it for this challenge as well. Okay, so let me see the short URL code now. First, let me enter the long URL code. Okay, oh my bad, one long URL code. Now I have the short URL. Now what I'll do, I'll select retrieve URL. I'll click on this. Okay, so you can see I gave the short URL, so it's given me the long URL. Now let me choose exit. Okay, so exiting, goodbye. I'll submit the program. I hope you guys understood this. So yeah, the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. That's it for this challenge as well. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure I'll answer them all. And if you want to practice more such problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef. And you can practice all these problems on the CodeChef platform. So give this a try, and I'll see you in the next challenge. Thank you.